Yes, Sashika students. Today, class 9, let's have a lecture on surface area and volume of right circular cone. Why it's known as right circular? This is known as axis of the cone, or it's also known as height of the cone, h. When the height of the cone makes 90 degree with the radius vector, the cone is known as right circular cone. A cone which is not right circular can be like this. This is a cone which is not right circular, or anyone. Now, this is this height. This is known as vertex O. Vertex O of the cone. And OP is the axis of the cone. Now, guys, OA is the slant height of the cone. Slant height, we can say L. Now, very simply, we can say what's the difference, what's the relation between L, H, and R? Using Pythagoras theorem, very simple. L would be equal to H square plus R square under root. Alright, R is the radius of the cone, or simply the radius of the base circle of the cone. Right? Then vertical angle. Now, this angle AOB, angle AOB is known as vertical angle of the cone. Vertical angle of the cone. Well, now we'll talk about curved surface area of the cone. Well, there's another video we have which proves how this formula has been derived. Curved surface area of the cone is equal to simply pi into r into L square units, where L is the slant height, R is the radius of the cone. Now, having done this, what is total surface area of the cone? Now, guys, total surface area of the cone is valid only for the solid cone. Reason: imagine you have a cone in which you eat like softie, in which you eat ice cream, right? So when the ice cream is like this in the cone, let's say you take a plain something and you remove this ice cream, and this area is created. Now, this is the example of solid cone. So total surface area of the solid cone would be equal to curved surface area plus the area of this, yes sir Gunkar, area of the base circle. You see, this surface of the base circle is generated only in case of solid cone. If the cone is hollow, then this surface is not generated. So its area will not be calculated. And I've been repeating the things in the last lecture also. A surface is one which can be touched with your hands, right? Since your hand would go inside this hollow cone, there's no surface, right? So, guys, we have total surface area would be curved surface area plus the area of this. Well, radius is r, pi r square is the area of this. So, total surface area would be pi r l divided by plus pi r square. Pi r is common, so we have L plus R is the total surface area of solid cone. Solid cone, right? There is nothing like total surface area in case of hollow cone. In case of hollow cone, the curved surface area is the total surface area. Am I right? Okay, guys. So having done this, now we have numericals to do. So first is simple numerical. It says height of a cone is 16 centimeter. That is h. Oh yes, we forgot one thing, students. What is the volume of the cone? I'm sorry, volume of cone. All right. In order to understand this, you see this is a cone. Now what I do, I convert this cone into a what? Into a, anyone can guess? into a cylinder. Okay, I convert this cone into a hollow cylinder. Okay, wait a minute. Now this is converted into a hollow cylinder. Okay, all right. Now, guys, you just see that let's. This is a hollow cylinder. In this hollow cylinder, here the height of the hollow cylinder and the height of the cone is same. You can say this vertex of the cone is coinciding with the center of the top circle. The vertex of the cone is coinciding. Coinciding means the point is same as the center of the top circle of the cylinder. Obviously, cylinder has a top circle and bottom circle.
The what is that?
Hmm?
Like O point.
O point is vertex. VERTES vertex. Okay, guys. Now, interesting thing. Let's say, students, I put some water into this uh, hollow cylinder. Let's say somehow I close this bottom circle. I close this bottom circle and then I put some water. So, guys, let's say you put 30 liters of water in this. Imagine. Experimentally, you can see if there is a cone whose base circle is coinciding with the bottom circle of the cylinder and height of the cone is also height of the cylinder, then the cone will be full till brim only with 10 liter. This is experiment you can do yourself in the home. What does it mean? The amount of water which cone can contain is 10 liter and corresponding cylinder with the same height and same radius. Cylinder can contain how much water? 30 liter. From this experiment, students, we can say that the volume of cone is equal to one third of the volume of, yes, Argun, corresponding cylinder with the same height and same radius. So from this, students, we got a expression regarding the volume of cone. Well, you need not remember it. First, simply write if the cone is having height h and radius r. Now here you write down the volume of the cylinder which is having radius r and height h. What will be the volume of cylinder?
1/3.
No. I'm just asking
Hi.
volume of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. How do you write? Base area, base area into height. Okay. So pi r square h. This is the volume of the cylinder. Simply divide
Cylinder.
by 3. So volume of the cone is pi r square h divided by 3. This is the technique how you can remember the volume of the cone for a long duration of time. Okay, guys. Having done with all the formulas, now we'll do some numericals. So first numerical is, students, we'll do in the black pen. Lucky color. Okay, height of the cone is 16 centimeter. Base radius r is equal to 12 centimeter. Curved surface, find the curved surface area and total surface area. Okay, so we have to find out the total surface area. So very simple, students. Now he has not mentioned that it is a solid cone, but if he is asking for total surface area, now we have to assume that this is a solid cone, because only in case of solid cone total surface area exists. In case of hollow cone, curved surface area is the total surface area. Why? Because the bottom circle is not, that surface is not upper circle, or if it is inverted cone, the bottom circle is not generated. Very good. So the curved surface area will be, yes, what is the formula for curved surface area of the cone? Pi r.
RM.
Beautiful. So it is 22 by 7 into r is 12 into L. L is how much? L is not given.
No.
We have to find, this is h. Height of the cone is given. So I know how to find out L. L is equal to h square plus r square under root, because L is like a hypotenuse. This is h. This is L. And what is this? This is my radius. So L will be h square. X 16 square is how much? 256 plus r square is how much? 144 under root. So this is equal to 6 plus 4, 0. Well, this is equal to 400 under root. Simply, this is equal to 20 centimeter. L is 20. I put 20 here. Beautiful. So CSA will come as, just calculate, 5753.6 centimeter square. So guys, very simple. What will be total surface area? Total surface area will be CSA plus pi r square. So this is equal to 756.3.6 plus pi into r square. What is r? R is 12. So 144. Once you calculate this, students, you will get 1205.76 centimeter square. Whatever calculation I'm writing, as good students, you should do them yourself. All right, guys. Okay, guys. Now uh, we have another formula. He says the diameter, second sum, the diameter of two cones are equal. So it's like this is one cone and similar second cone. I think height will be different. If the slant heights are in the ratio of 5 is to, so let's say this is first cone, this is second cone. So this will have L1, this will have L2. Now he says L1 is to L2 is L1 is to L2 is how much? 5 is to 4. So that means the first one is bigger. So we will draw the cone. We can draw, you need not draw also, but if you want, you can draw. This is first cone. So this will be second cone. Little small height, So L is smaller. H will also be little smaller for this. So this is H1 and this is H2, this is L1, this is L2. Similarly, now R and R is same. R1 and R2 I need not write. This is R, this is also R because it is given the base radius is same. All right, student, that's great. Now it says find the ratio of their curved surface area. Find the ratio of the curved surface area. So simply, students, you see that curved surface area of 1 divided by curved surface area of 2 is equal to pi r L1 divided by pi r L2. Pi r cancels with this thing, L1 by L2. From this I can write, see, ratio can be written like this. Ratio can also be written like L1 divided by L2 is equal to 5 divided by 4. All right, that's great. So L1 by L2 is 5 by 4. So their curved surface area will also be in the same ratio, whatever is the ratio of their slant height. All right, let's go for third sum. All right. So guys, he says third sum. First we'll do simple sum. He says radius and height of the cone are in the ratio 5 is to 12. What is this? Radius and height. Remember students, whenever he says height of cone, it is a vertical height. Right? Whenever he says the slant height, then you take L. L is always bigger than H. L is always bigger than H. All right. Okay, so H. So R is to L. He says R is to L ratio of height, radius and height are in the ratio of 5 is to 12. Fine. If its volume is 314 meter cube, this is the volume of the cone. Then find its slant height and radius. Find L and find R. We have to find out both. So how we will do this, students? So very simple. Volume of the cone. Remember, volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of corresponding cylinder. Cylinder I know very well. Base area pi r square into h. 1/3 of this will be divided by 3. All right. Now this is given as 314 4 meter cube. Is it meter cube? Correct. So I will get what? Pi 12 by 6 into 1 by 3 into radius is given. Radius is not given. Whenever a ratio is given, we know the formula. Always think ratio is equal to 5x and height is equal to 12x. All right. Now we'll change the color. Okay. So what will be ratio? Ratio is 5x, so it will be 25 x square into what is height? Height is 12x. All right. Well, this is equal to 314. Okay, guys, this is 314. So how can we do it now?
It will be an equation.
Okay, so we will get now.
22 by 21 equal to
Okay, you can assume that this is 22 by 7. You can assume as 3.14. Okay, if you assume is at 3.14 and you see 25 into 12 is how much?
800.
25 into 12 is
800. I have
sure. So it is 3.14 into 800 divided by 3, right?
x cube.
So this will be x cube is equal to 314. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys,
You cut it.
now if you cut it, what you are getting is 314 x cube is equal to 314. So from this, I will get x cube is equal to 1. Am I right? When x cube is equal to 1, what is x? X is also equal to
Okay,
1.
kita sir.
All right, you please do the calculation. When
Sir,
you,
okay.
yeah, you do the calculation. If you, like do this, 3 2 is 6, 20, right? So it will be 3 6 18, then 2, then 6.66. You multiply these two, you will get 314. Okay, so yeah, okay, so you should do it. You should do it. Okay, so fine. So we'll get x is equal to 1. You just do it. When you do x is equal to 1, so what will be radius? So radius will be 5 meter, and what will be height? Height is equal to 12 meter. Okay, we have done it. And now what will be the slant height? L is equal to
Root
r square plus h square under root. What is r?
5.
R is 525 plus 144 under root. This is equal to 13. 169. Right? 13. So we've done both. Okay, that's good. Now comes fifth more sum. Now it says the height and slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. The height is this, height is always less, slant height is this. Okay, find the volume of the cone. Find the volume of the cone. Okay, so 21, 28. Okay, guys, so now let's do it. Okay, guys. So volume of the cone is equal to pi r square h divided by 3. Am I right? Okay, that's great. So I think we need r here. Okay, fine.
That will be
So
5
r would be
meters.
equal to L square minus h square under root. So that's it is equal to L square. So this is 28 whole square. Please do it. Minus 21 whole square under root. So I should know these values. So what is 28 square?
764.
What?
74.
So 28 whole square. Okay, fine. So I can do like this also.
So we can identity
We can get,
28 plus
yeah, we
21.
can 7 square into uh, 4 square. Am I right? Minus 7 square into 3 square. Am I right? I do like this. So now it's easier. So it's 7 square, 7 comes out. So it's 16 minus 9. Beautiful. So that is equal to what is,
Cut.
huh?
7 with 7.
So this will be R. Yeah, how much it will be? Correct. So it will be 7 under root 7. Beautiful. 7 under root 7 what? This is centimeter radius. Okay, so we got the radius. So what will be volume? So volume would be pi 22 by 7 into 1 by 3 into r square.
343.
So r square would be 7 7s are 49 into 7 into what is height is 21. That's all done. So 7 into 7, 3, 21. 21 is gone. So whatever is this, you just multiply. So you will get 7, 5. You've done it?
No.
You have done 4, 6 centimeter square. Beautiful. Okay, guys, let's do more sum. Okay, now it says a conical tent. We have a conical tent. What we have a?
Only can
We have a conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons. Okay, this tent will have how many persons?
11 persons.
11 persons. Okay, each person must have, each person, each person must have 4 square meter of the space on the ground. Okay, 4 meter square of space. Each person should have this much space on the ground. Obviously, space is now this space is not 3D space. This is 2D space. That means this area. This one person will be in this space, other person will be in this space. Like that, 11 people should be accommodated, right? So this is the area. That's why 4 meter square. Okay. Now, 4 meter square of space on the ground and 20 cubic meter of air to breathe. Oh, beautiful. 20 cubic meter means 20 meter cube air to breathe. Okay.
मतलब
Well, each person we want he should be able to sit down or lay down. So for sitting down or lay down, whatever it is, obviously he cannot lay down in 4 meter square.
yes.
He can sit down in 4 meter square area. And we also want 20 meter cube of air to be he
Breath.
breathes. So that is he's talking about volume of the tank, internal volume of tank
Okay.
total. So that this multiplied by 11 will be the total volume of the tank. Am I right? 20 meter cube of air. Okay, because volume of air inside the tent is fixed,
Yes.
right? Each person should have 20 meter cube air to breathe. Okay, fine. Obviously, you will not air. You don't need air for cooking. Do you need air to cooking? You need, yes, guys. You need air for cooking also. Without oxygen, fire will
Okay, yes.
not.
Yeah.
So you need air for cooking also. Okay, but anyway, it's not. There's nothing related to cooking here. It's only to breathe. Okay. Now he says find the height of the cone. Oh, super sum. I will say it's a super duper and super sum. Find the height of the cone. Okay, so this is solved in front of us. It's little easier,
Yeah.
but we will do unsolved also, and then we'll do challenges also. Okay. So guys, yeah, tell me how you should go about this. So simply one person should have 4 meter square area. So we will have the area of the base. That means the area of the circle is how much? 11 into 4, 44 meters square. Am I right? Now area of the base is pi r square. Very simple. Pi r square is equal to 44. So r square is equal to 44 multiplied by 7 divided by
22.
22. All right. So this is 22 twos. So this is 14. So I'll get r is equal to under root 14. Beautiful. I got the radius. Am I right, guys? I got the radius. Or you could have just written r square is equal to 14. That will also do. Like one girl told yesterday, simply put the value of 2 pi r. There was a question, no? Directly put the value of 2
Yes.
pi r when similar to
That's
that was
better.
better. So r square, we will be using r square na, in pi r square h. That's
Mm.
why. So we got r, and now the volume of the cone. Now one person is needing how much air? One
20
person
meter
needs 20 meter cube of air. So 11 people will need how much air? 11 would be equal to 20 into 11. So that is equal to 220 meter cube of air. This much. So this much is the internal volume of the tank. You got it, guys? You got it, guys? This is internal volume of the tank. But internal volume 220. 220 is equal to, yeah, who will answer? What is the volume of the what? Cone. Volume of the cone? Yes, can you tell? What is the volume of the cone? Pi r square h divided by 3. Beautiful. Pi r square h divided by 3. All right. So from this I will get the height. Very simple. How? 220 is equal to 22 by 7 into 3 into r square is 14 into h. Simply beautiful. 22 ones are 22. This is 10 here. So guys, very simple. 7 ones are 7, 7 to the 14. So I will get L. H is equal to, I think, 30 divided by
2.
2. That is equal to 15 meter. This is super duper and super sum. All right, guys. Now, not only this, I will do 6 more sums. I will only give you guidance how to do them. Last time, students, only Monroe's wrote all the answers on the comment section. Nobody has written.
I'll tell you afterwards.
Why you have not written?
No, I have not.
Sir,
Next time,
written.
well,
There's some problem on Simrat knows. She said she'll pay. only comments on there. Your comments are restricted. इतना. that recording चल रही है.
okay, no, it's okay. Let everybody know. No problem. Okay, fine.
Sir, I have done.
You have done? No, if the comment
Yes,
is
sir.
not restricted for Monroe's. How it can be restricted for you? You've written in comment section. Very good.
सर एक बार ये उन्हें पूछ लो उन्हें क्या हम
No, no, no. I need not ask anyone. I should ask you only. So please put it on the comment section today. Okay. So first sum. I will do 6 more sums. In 8 minutes, we will try to do 6 or 8 sums. You will do calculation. He says diameter of base and height of a cone is diameter of base. Base is diameter. Base is how much? 14 centimeter. So R will be 7. And height is also given. Height is 24 centimeter. Find the curved surface area. Yes, Amrit, formula? CSA? CSA is pi R L. Wow, that's great. All right, very good. It's correct answer. Good. You'll be majboot with this pi R L. So please do it. Second sum. Let's do all 12. Let's do fast.
Okay.
Students will do. Fine. Find the curved surface area CSA. Sorry, CSA should be found out. Whose circumference of base? Circumference of base means 2 pi r and slant height. This is 88 and slant height is L, right? That is 2. Find the CSA. How you will find it? Circumference of base from where you will get r. Right now, CSA is pi r L. Very simple. You will get pi r L. Third sum. This is a two sum. The radius and vertical height of cone. Radius r is 5 centimeter and vertical height h is 12 centimeter. Okay, guys. Then find the curved surface area. Very simple. CSA. Yes, baby. Tell me the. Tell me the.
Pi RL.
Pi r hill. Pi r hill. Okay, that's good. Now comes the fourth sum. Okay, no. Fifth sum. Four we have already done. Fifth sum. Circumference of base is 16 meter. What? Circumference of the base of 16 meter high solid cone. So 16 meter high means H. Don't take L. This is 16 meter solid cone. So solid cone, what is total surface area? Anyone? Solid cone total surface area pi r into hill plus r. Beautiful. Because how it comes? Pi r l plus नीचे वाला circle pi r square into 1. Okay, fine. Good. Okay, into 1, and that's why we are having fun. Okay. But government should not put gun on the Kinsan Andolan. Okay? We should have fun. There should be no gun on the Kinsan Andolan. Otherwise, it will be the government will get tan. Okay. Government of the sorry, not government. Circumference of base is 16 or 16 meter high. H is given. All right. Then circumference of the base is 33 meter. So that is equal to 2 pi r. Super. From here you will get r. Now what we have to find out? Total surface area. So total surface area will be this. Done. Do it. Now comes sixth sum. This is a great way to motivate students. Okay. Chako. A conical tent. Conical tent means like this. No. This is rectangular tent. Okay. This is not even available on rent. This is not a tent, not even available on rent. Okay. And there will be no dent. So now let's talk about only in the tent. Conical tent. Okay. This is conical tent. 12 meter high. That means this is 12 meter. All right. Radius of base is 16 meter. Beautiful. This is 16 meter radius. Find slant height. Slant height means L. Then cost of canvas required to make the tent. Okay, 1 meter square cost is 70 rupees. Find out the cost of canvas. Canvas means this cloth. Kapda, roti kapda or makan. All will be provided by the politicians. And 16 meter is the radius, I think. 16 meter
Yes,
is
sir.
the height. Yeah, it's a radius. Okay, very big. Okay, now comes seven question. All right, students. Let's do all 12. Seven
See ya.
questions. Sorry.
Love, love
Seven
the
question.
game.
Find the volume of the right circular cone. Find the volume of the right circular cone. L is 24. H is 21. Okay. Second, L is 13. H is 5 centimeter. Third, R is equal to 5. H is equal to 3. This much is sufficient. Okay. Now 8 sum. Height of the cone, height and volume of the cone are, height is h is 15 centimeter, and volume of the cone, volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is given, this is equal to 50 pi. So be very smart, students. Don't be stupid to put the value of pi. Simply cut
Pi,
pi
pi,
with
cut
the
it.
pi just like you cut the cake. Okay, but don't eat it. Okay, now find the radius of the base of the cone. You have to find out radius. Simple. Pi is cutting with pi. You put the value of h and find out the radius. How much it will be? Let's do it. 1 by 3 into I square. Now 15 into 15 is 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5. No. I'm sorry. R square. R square into 15 is equal to 500. What happened? Sorry, students. R square. Am I right?
Yeah.
Is equal to 500. So R square will be equal to 500 divided by 15. So that is equal to 5 3.
Three.
Oh, okay. Don't do into 3. So 5 3 is 15. This is 100. Beautiful. This is R is equal to 10. Done. R is equal to 10. All right. Line is in the 10. Okay. So now 10th question. We have 2 minutes. Let's do all the 12. Okay, 10th question. Height and radius of the cone are tripled. Beautiful. Height. This is first height. The new height is 3h. And radius. This is first R. Then the new R is 3R. Do like this. Now find the ratio of the volume of new cone to that of original cone. Now this volume will be V dash. This volume is V. Find out V dash by V. Very easy. Okay, now 11th question. Find the capacity of the cone. Capacity means
Volume.
volume. Beautiful. All right. Capacity in liter. Capacity in liter. Suppose whenever you get a question like liter, students, liter of the cone having capacity in liter of a cone. Oh wow, you have to really understand this. So remember that, students. 1 meter cube 1 meter cube is 1,000 liter. You can use this. 1 meter cube is 1,000 liter. Okay, fine. So this is, he says, capacity in liter of a conical vessel having height is 8 centimeter, slant height L is 10 centimeter. Very simple. Simply calculate the volume by calculating the pi r square h. Oh, you have to find out r. You will find r from here. How? L square minus
Hyperbolus.
h square, and simply use the volume. Wow, students, you have done all the 12 sums. 12 sum is how much ice cream can we put into a cone? Beautiful. How much ice cream means the volume of the ice cream. Now don't think that the ice cream will be like this. Then it will be wrong. The ice cream would be only till here. Remaining ice cream given to,
नहीं उन्हें
no, this is given to some child nearby. Okay, take it. And only this much volume we can find out if it is like this. But next time you will get a, oh, found, fine. So he says the radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. All right, guys. So beautiful 12 sums. Our YouTube channel is Learn CBSC by Engineer Omkar Singh. Share with your friends and enjoy your life. All the best.